Hey guys, welcome to Mitch's Music. Learning by ear is something that can be really helpful as a guitar player, and I have people all the time ask me how they can get better at learning by ear. And so in this course, what we are going to do is I'm going to show you some techniques that I use to learn by ear. So if you've never learned by ear before, we're going to start at the very beginning and we are going to go to more complex things. I'm going to show you some tips along the way so that you can get started in the right place every time. And in this very first video, what we're going to talk about, we're not even going to use this guitar very much. Well, I am, but you're not. And we are going to talk about just listening to music without a guitar. And I'm going to give you a couple of quizzes by the end of the video to see how well you do. So the very first thing that I would do if I was starting out from the beginning learning by ear is just listening to music. When I was a kid, I think the thing that helped me the most before I even touched a guitar was singing along with recordings, because singing along with the radio or with cassettes, I was matching pitch. I was also noticing changes in the music. So I was noticing the verse, I was noticing the chorus. And if you start to break music down into those patterns are going to repeat. And so you're really not learning an entire 3 minutes of different chords. You're learning a verse and a chorus and a bridge maybe, and then if it changes again, you're learning that too. But the very first thing to do is to make sure that you can notice those changes. So in this video, what we're going to do is I'm about to black out the screen, and I'm going to change through some chords. So I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm changing every 4 beats. I'm not going to change the chord every 4 beats. That's going to be for you to find out. But everything is going to be in a 4-beat kind of pattern, and I'm going to keep a really steady beat so there's no change in the rhythm. And I want you to see if you can notice where the chord changes are. And then at the end of the video, I am going to show you the correct answer. All right, so here's the first one. All right, what do you think? Did you get the right answer? If you need to go back and check it again, just click one of the timestamps below and you can go back to the beginning of this one and listen to it one more time before you check out the answer. And here is the correct answer. If you notice, I moved through each chord 8 times, so this is exactly what I did. Alright, let's do one more. So I'm about to black out the screen and we're going to do a different one, okay? Here we go. Alright, once again, if you need to click on the timestamp, go back and listen to that again before I show you the answer. Click on that timestamp now. And here's the answer. So I did 4 beats that time for each chord change. Alright, so your homework for today is go out and find a song that you are familiar with. It helps if you've heard the song several times, especially at the beginning. A song that you can recall even without listening to it, but then go back and listen to it and really pay attention to the background instruments, not the vocals. Really pay attention to the background instruments. See if you can get a grasp of how often the notes are changing in the chords. And in the next video, what I'm going to do is show you how to figure out your first chords and get a start on playing your first chords. See you in the next video, guys.